Alright, so what I'm going to show you today is using the HVLP paint sprayer from Harbor Freight. Super inexpensive. Shooting some water-based paint on a chair here that I sanded down, scuffed up, and took most of the finish off of. This is just a really easy, cheap way of spraying some finish down and laying it down really pretty quickly. What I'm shooting for is 2/3 paint, 1/3 water, and doing a couple coats just to go ahead and get some good coverage. So we will get started. So with this one, the tip has been drilled out. It took about 15 seconds. And I'll try to look up what the actual orifice size is now. So I'm going to blow off the piece. Okay, so we've blown off the piece. Now we're going to go ahead and kind of test our spray pattern a little bit, and we want to basically get something that's going to be about like that. So it should work. Alright, so we have a coat of paint on there. A little bit thicker, and I'm not super impressed with everything back here. But again, just getting that initial layer on, so we'll let this dry for a bit and come back and put a second coat on it. Alright, so we are back for coat number 2. So, not that I think that it's that much has come down on it, but just in case. my glove here is not really because of anything other than just my thumb split open. So